Hi, this is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trading analysis video. Today is Wednesday, 17th of December 2014, and we shall start off with the euro against the US dollar. So what you're seeing here is a 4-hourly chart. Okay, so as you can see, there's a falling trend channel, but price has broken above, got resisted at the 200 moving averages, came down again, got supported at the falling, a rising trend line, and it broke above the 200 moving averages. Well, as it broke above, it touches the final exhaustion level at the price of 1.2566, which is also the retracement level of 50%, and we are seeing the price is beginning to fall. Right, so if we are looking at the upside, um, we shall wait for let's zoom in the 1-hourly charts. We shall wait for price to touch the rising trend line over here. If there's a setup, go for a long. Then the first level to look out for is the 1.2566 retracement level of 50%, followed by retracement level of 61.8%, the price of 1.2641. Of course, if price were to carry on to fall further, which there's already a setup over here, a reversal with confirmation. If the short, then of course the first level we're looking for is at the rising trend line itself, probably at the price of 1.2472. If it falls further, the next support level to look out for is 1.2373, followed by 1.2255 previous low. Right, so that's for the euro against the US dollar. Next, we have the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Right, so as we can see, price has been resisted by a falling trend line over here. Right, and for the most recent one is the price has been resisted at the retracement level of 61.8%. Just adjust a little bit, and price has fallen, gotten supported at the current support level as 0.7728. Right, so if we're going to look at the downside, if it breaks below, then the next level we can look at is 0.7671, followed by 0.7612, which is the previous low. And of course, at this point of time, zooming to 1-hourly charts, alright, a range might form over here. So as you can see, price has been supported. If there's a reversal candle followed by confirmation, then it is possible to go for an intraday long. And of course, the first level to look out for is 0.7833, right? So that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the pound against the US dollar. So this is a falling chart. As we can see, the price has been falling within a falling trend channel, and currently price has been resisted at the top of the channel. And we can see that there's a strong pullback at the 200 moving averages, and price has been closing just nice below the top of the falling trend channel, which also signals that price may fall further. Okay, so if you are looking at the downside, if the zooming into the 15-minute charts, there is actually a consolidation over here, forming a descending triangle, or rather it's more like a flat pole itself. So if price is able to break below, we can actually set a sell stop over here. First level to look out for is at the price of 1.5622, somewhere close to the rising trend line that's been plotted in the 1-hourly chart. And if it falls further, then we'll look at the previous low at 1.5551. Right, but if we are looking at the top, at the upside, then we shall wait for price to retrace all the way to the rising trend line over here. And as we long, the first level to look out for is of course the top of the falling trend channel, followed by the 200 moving averages. Right, so these are the two key levels to look out for if you were to go for a long. Right, so that's for the pound against the US dollar. Next, we have Australian dollar against the US dollar. As you can see, price has been falling again this morning and broke new low breaking below the support level of 0.8200. So if you're looking at the downside, furthermore, the next key support level, or rather the exhaustion level, is at 0.8091, followed by 0.8000 whole number itself. So if we want to go for the shorts, let's wait for retracement, and hopefully it can go all the way back to the price of 0.8200 and became a support turn resistance level. That will give opportunity to shorts. And if price were to retrace even further, then the 200 moving averages will be the next level to look out for. Alright, so that's for the Australian dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. This is the 4-hourly chart. As we know, the price has been retracing for the past few days, and price has been supported at the retracement level of 30.2%, price of 115.47. And zooming to the 1-hourly chart, we observe there is a falling trend channel over here. So price has also actually gotten supported at the bottom of the falling trend channel. It has begun to rebound. So we are expecting price to appreciate further till it touches the top of the falling trend channel, and if it breaks above this level to look out for, this resistance to look out for is 119.54, followed by 121.72, which is the previous high. And however, if price were to fall further, we shall take note at the support level of 30.2%, price of 115.47. Next will be when it touches the bottom of the trend channel, and of course followed by the next retracement level at 50% at price of 130.50. Right, but we are expecting price to appreciate further from this point onwards. Next, we have the dollar against the Swiss franc. Right, pretty much similar to the euro against the US dollar. Right, for dollar against the Swiss franc, you can see the price has been appreciating and recently has been retracing all the way down and gotten supported at top of the previous rising trend channel. Right, in the day one chart is pretty clear. Right, price has been supported at the top of the rising trend channel, when it got supported again. So back to the 4-hourly charts, another thing is that price has actually attempted to break below but got supported at the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.9550 and there's a pullback and price begin to appreciate from here. So we are actually expecting price to appreciate further, right? Although it has already broke below the 200 moving averages, but if price were to be able to close above the 200 moving averages again, that would signal that price is most likely to resume back to its major trend. Okay, so if we're looking at the upside, the very first level we are looking for is at the current price 0.9623, followed by 0.9727, and finally the previous high 0.8112. 0.9812. However, if price were to fall again, then the next level we shall look for, the first support level is at 0.9550, the final exhaustion level of 161.8%, and breaking below means the price can fall all the way to 0.9412, right, the next support level. So that's for the dollar against the Swiss franc. And finally, I just want to touch on the Australian dollar against New Zealand dollar. This is the monthly chart, and price is about to touch the previous low in the monthly charts, as you can see over here. So zooming into the smaller time frame, the daily chart itself, we are about 30 pips away from touching the support level of 1.0500. So if there's a setup over here, this could be a opportunity to go for a long for Australia against New Zealand dollar, as we observe that in the monthly chart this is a huge range to trade within, and price is about to touch the bottom of the range itself. Right, so this is for Australia dollar against New Zealand dollar. And with that, I came to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.